message of acceptance and gratitude.
Thank you, Ma'am Char. Actually, hindi pa ito nasimulan, in-accept ko na. Ma'am Char, Minister. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subhanaka la ilma lana illa ma 'allamtana innaka antal alimul hakim. Of course, my courtesies and respect, as we all believe with a layman who says the sweetest music to everyone's ear is the sound of his or her name. Na kahit anong pangalan mo, yun pa rin ang pinakamasarap na marinig mo, no? Pero pag hindi masabi yung pangalan mo, Sir Bonnie, ibig sabihin yung pangalan mo pinaka the best and the most popular name. And that's Sir Bonnie. My courtesy and respect, of course, to the very supportive and one of the legends of the Moro Islamic Liberation Front, leaders of the Central Committee, and now a Minister of the MBHD Ivan, Honorable Muhajir Iqbal. I usually call him Kaka Minister Iqbal. The Chief Admin Officer, the Executive and Special Assistant to the Office of the Minister, malapit na maging doctor, Sir Mubi Pandi, congratulations for the well-deserved promotion. The Vice Presidents of the University, Vice President Kundo Empang Jr., Vice President Aguanawas Medaliday, and Vice President Teng E. Alim, our dynamic and very supportive members of the Cotabato State University Board of Regents, Honorable Dr. Faik Abdurrahman of the Alumni Association, Honorable Ismail Ali of the Faculty Association, and Honorable Adrian Bilandres of the University Student Council, the Chief of EBS ESD of the MBHDE, Engineer Zubair Yaman, Sheikh Chian Arif Maskud, who has given us moral values, also an officer of the EBS of the MBHDE, other officers from the MBHDE farm, our mayor para sa lahat, we invited him, Honorable Dato Muhammad Ali Bruce Matabalaw, and our Barangay Chair of the Rosary H4, Honorable Muhahida Omar or Kap Baraka, Deans who are in attendance, heads of offices, our beloved students, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum and good afternoon once again. Indeed, it is our pleasure and honor having this turnover ceremony of the Cotabato State University Dormitory from the MBHD Bar under the leadership of Honorable Muhajir Iqbal. This is really significant to the milestone of our university as we quest to become a world-class education hub for sustainable, inclusive, for transformative peace and development in Southern Philippines. Really, a dormitory becomes a requisite after the challenge of the pandemic in 2020 to 2022. And it is in the Republic Act 9136, otherwise known as Land Use Development and Infrastructure Plan, to include, among others, the construction of dormitory. As a newly converted university with a very small fund, we are very worried of the funding of dormitory. But with the blessing of the Almighty Allah, through the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, we are able to submit our ongoing construction of the dormitory donated by the MBHD BARM. Maraming salamat, Sir Minister Iqbal, and to the BARM government, the Chief Minister, Ahmad Balawag Ibrahim. We are very thankful to the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. With this is another weapon of our faculty, students, and administration, as we also fighting for the poverty, other crimes, and vices of the next generation, as we are now on the jihad for education. Before, we are bringing weapons, guns, and now we are bringing pens and papers to fight for the future of the next generation. Indeed, we do not stop for our jihad, but this is another phase of jihad, which is now, we are now part of the government to look for better life and a quest for genuine autonomy and a self-determination of the Bangsamoro people in southern Philippines. With that, again, this would be, as according to Ferdinand Marcos Sr., Mindanao is one, if not the most fertile soil in Asia, and we believe that in the same manner, Cotabato State University is also one of the most fertile soil in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, with these growing buildings in our university, especially coming from the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. We know for a fact that as a state university, we are both from the Region 12 and the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. But then, we are more than privileged, since we are a hybrid university, that with the financial constraint of the national government through the Region 12, we are able to cope with the necessary facilities of the university with the help of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Again, Sir Minister, we are very thankful in behalf of our thousands of students, hundreds of employees, our hundred thousands of alumni. We thank and we accept this dormitory of the university. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.